Welcome back to our gardening channel. Today, we're going to introduce you to some remarkable polka dot print houseplants that will elevate the look of your living space. These plants are not only easy to grow, but also boast unique and fascinating foliage that will complement the rest of your indoor plant collection. Our first pick is the Caladium. This showy houseplant features large arrow-shaped leaves with a white-green background, adorned with beautiful pink and red spots. It thrives in high humidity and is a fantastic addition to your spotted leaf houseplant collection. Next up, we have the Polka Dot Begonia. This variety is known for its striking appearance as a spotted houseplant and its easygoing nature. With its white and pink polka dot pattern foliage, it's sure to become an eye-catching ornamental addition to your living room decor. Moving on to the Dracaena Gold Dust. This beautiful polka dot houseplant boasts glossy dark green leaves with elegant yellow spots. The irregularly shaped spots add a fabulous contrast to its dark foliage, making it a standout choice. The polka dot plant is another white-spotted houseplant popular for its remarkable appearance. Its green leaves are adorned with white spots and splashes of pink, creating a striking visual effect. Whether it's pink Dalmatian, polka dot, or red ruby, Aglaonema offers a variety of impressive dots and splashes on its leaves, making it an excellent choice for those looking for houseplants with spotted foliage. Speaking of plants with dots on leaves, the pink brocade is an eye-catching spotted leaf houseplant variety with fine green spots and lines of pink on its leaves. It not only grows fast, but thrives in partial to full sunlight. Our next highlight is the Red Splash houseplant. Its unique bright red and black foliage with spots and dots create a striking and unique appearance, making it a beautiful addition to your spotted houseplant collection. Last one we have the Silver Squill, another stunning spotted houseplant. Its light green leaves are adorned with dark green spots and patterns, adding a touch of charm to your indoor garden. If you found this video informative and want to discover more gardening tips, plant wonders, and fascinating insights, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy gardening!